This guy, Nikocado Avocado.
So I am the villain.
He might seem like a belly bouncing idiot, ultra funny comedian.
I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna be rich.
But he's actually a genius, high level, elite YouTuber. He lost so much weight in just around 7 months. Like, how is that even possible? But the real question is, he actually got 40 million views on this video. And the video is quite simple. It's just him eating some spicy black bean noodles, playing with his parrot. How did that get so many views? Well, he's really big. Well, he was. But he's also big in not just his belly, but also in his subscribers. He has 4.3 million. How did he get so many views? And how can you do the same thing on your channel? Hi, this is Mahad from Tubehustle here. Let's get right into this video. This belly bouncing behemoth started his channel as quite a slim guy, but he gained weight and then he recently lost it. So was he gaining weight so that he can just get really famous and hurt his health and just gather a large amount of views and money and then just lose the weight? If he did that, then that is a really high IQ plan. I'm not sure if he planned it from the beginning, but if he did, that is insane. Okay, let's explain why his videos are so popular. His videos have the following characteristics. They are unique, they get high views, the thumbnails are super interesting, and they get these comments that all say
it's funny because he's fat.
That they are laughing their pants off throughout this entire video. This video got 40 million views and the comments are quite high. The comments are 275k. Okay, let's explain why. His videos are unique. People go to Nikocado Avocado's channel to see Nikocado Avocado. You can't find him anywhere else. That's the only place where you can find him. You have to go to his channel. He has a certain personality that people tend to like. He's so funny. He has this ability to make people laugh. And he's very genuine and relaxed in his videos. So it feels like you're just hanging out with him. And the videos are quite long as well. Some of them are like 2 hours even. But they're like usually over 20 minutes. So you're just watching the video and you're relaxing with him. He's talking, looking into the camera and talking in a very relaxed way. So that's what he does. Videos are unique. Okay, what's the next thing? They get high views. His videos get a lot of views. It came out literally a week ago and it already has 40 million views. By the time I upload this, it might have even more. Okay, why do they get so many views?
Wow.
The other reason are his thumbnails. They are so incredible. They are works of art. Has bright colors, like some kind of food that is very red or blue or green or something. Some kind of noodles that are orange, red or bright orange. They cover up like 2/3 of the thumbnail. The top part is just him eating the food like with his chopsticks. He has a very intense expression on his face. So that is another thing that you can do on your videos. Your video should have some kind of emotion in the thumbnail. Mr. Beast does this as well. He adds emotion in his thumbnail. So you have Nikocado Avocado eating noodles like with some other overweight person next to him, and he's eating the noodles and he looks like he's eating some really spicy food and he's in pain and you can see it on his face. So as soon as you see that thumbnail, that bright, super colored, emotional thumbnail, you just want to click on it. So he has very interesting thumbnails.
Mary and Joseph, would you stop?
Use bright colors in your thumbnails, add emotion to your thumbnail as well. Try to make it unique, something special that people haven't seen before. Because when's the last time you've seen a thumbnail of 2 people eating like 5 bowls of spicy noodles or blue Takis or crisps or something? Or super spicy challenge. You haven't seen that. So make your thumbnails unique. Okay, the next reason why a video goes viral is his comments, the number of comments. If your video is like controversial or something, people tend to comment a lot, and when they comment a lot, the YouTube algorithm sees this video, people are watching it till the end and it's getting a lot of comments. So what does YouTube do? It pushes it out to other people, to a new audience, and then they watch it. Then another audience watches it, and it gets pushed out throughout the entire YouTube and people watch it. That is called virality. That is called going viral. I myself, on my small channel, I have had issues where I upload a video, then the next day I'm like refreshing it and I'm not seeing any views. I'm seeing like maybe 10-20 views. Okay, now it's a bit better. My channel is doing a bit better than that, but it's still quite hard and it is discouraging. I am trying to learn and apply these tips from this actual video, and I want you to do the same. This is Mahad from Tubehustle here. I make videos on YouTube growth tips to help you get more views, subscribers, wealth and more, so you can live a life of financial independence and happiness. Let's make it to the top together. These tips I hope they help you. If you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, you can follow my channel. You can hit the subscribe button and hit the like. Let me know what you think about Nikocado Avocado's growth strategy. And let me know if you like Nikocado Avocado's thumbnails or his titles. Which ones do you think are better? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, if you want to know how this other YouTube cook got really big on YouTube, then click this video right here to find out how he did it as well. The story will blow your mind.